Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. When you have a local lawyer who deals with your family's other everyday legal needs, it can be difficult to decide how to handle a financial agreement. Do they act for you or your partner in finalising an agreement? Who would they represent in a court proceeding? And how might you both feel with the family lawyer only on one side? According to the Family Law Act, for a financial agreement to be binding, both parties must seek independent legal advice. This legal advice includes explaining the rights you have in relation to the agreement, as well as the advantages or disadvantages of entering into the agreement. This is true for both married and de facto couples. Even if it wasn't necessary by law, having independent legal advice is beneficial to both partners. An independent lawyer can tailor their advice to your individual needs. They can ensure your decision is voluntary. By encouraging your partner to have independent advice, you know they are signing without feeling forced to. They will also be unable to say later on that they did not understand what they were signing. Having one partner stay with the family lawyer can be risky, and not just because it might hurt somebody's feelings. If a matter needs to be heard by the family court, that lawyer may be obligated to withdraw, as they have a professional relationship with both parties. The last thing you want at that stage is a reason for the matter to last longer than it needs to. Finally, your family lawyer may not be the best lawyer for the job. Like doctors, most lawyers have specialities. Seeking the advice of a solicitor with experience in family law is the best for everyone. RP Emery's legal review package was created for this reason. We match you and your partner up with separate and fully independent family law experts to help you finalise your financial agreement for a single fixed fee. Our lawyers operate from separate and independent firms around Australia and can even consult remotely if reaching their office is difficult. For more information, click through to our article using the link below. And if you want to solve simple legal problems, cut costs, and take control of everyday legal issues, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button.